How's it going?
I am an expert at all races.
These bins are starting to annoy me. Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed.
Shortest distance is a straight line. The Finns versus Lightning McQueen. Destiny will decide who is best.
You gotta punch it, son. This is no time to hold back.
Sorry, just need my space.
My analysis says that you will experience defeat today.
Terrific. That's just great.
All roads lead to defeat for you.
One lap down.
It's a hard-fought race around turn 5.
Ka-chow! Just living the dream. That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen.
They're battling in the curves and sprinting down the straightaway.
Greatness has its perks. I like being cool without even trying. Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Hey, just protecting the rep.
There's always casualties in this sport, fans.